Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Danish bin Nasaruddin. Okay, I want to talk about introduction. Okay, engineers are finding it's difficult to keep up with demand for skyscrapers. If basic mechanical criteria are followed, the best design may be selected from the early designs. High-rise constructions will be environmentally friendly and energy efficient. In structural engineers, the mechanics and aesthetic of the building go hand with hands. Okay, then in building designs, so there are four main factors of the designs. First is stability, is to prevent the structures or section of it from overturning, sliding, or buckling under the action of loads. Next is strength, to safely withstand the stress caused by load in various structural elements. Third one is serviceability, means providing appropriate stiffness and reinforcement to keep deflections, crack weights, and vibration before acceptable limits, as well as ensuring permeability. The lastly is the durability of the building should be able to to stand. So in designing the building must be from the three phase. First is planning phase. Building purpose is the most important consideration. Secondary elements include the aesthetics, society's law, economy, and the environment. Furthermore, structural and constructional equipment and constraints may have an impact on the type of building that is built. The final stage involves the selecting one or many distinct types of construction. Second phase is design. The phase comprises a detailed evaluation of the various solutions outlined in the planning phase, with the most appropriate proportion, dimension, and details of the structural parts and connection for creating each alternative structural arrangement under consideration. The last phase is construction. Staff involvement, material and equipment purchase, including transportation to the site, and the actual on-site installation are all the part of this phase. Unexpected hurdles such as a shortage or equipment materials or foundation concerns may need extensive modification during this phase.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I will continue the presentation with the plan of the multipurpose hall. So basically, you can see in this slide is the two figures, which is the first one is the design of our structure of multipurpose hall, and the second one is the front view of the multipurpose hall. So we continue to our side view and roof view for the multipurpose hall. Um, the first figure is the side view of our structure, and last figure is the roof view for our structure. So as you can see, we are using pad footing for the foundation of the structure because it does not carry a heavy load. So we think that pad footing is enough to carry a load from the structure. So the size of the structure is 30 meter times 20 meter, and the height of the multipurpose hall is 8 meter. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Sharon. Today I will present about detail plan. So, in detail plan, we have general arrangement, foundation ratio, concrete beam detail, concrete column detail, set or mat layout, non-concrete beam detail, and foundation layout. So, as you guys can see in detail plan, we have the file from Tekla and we convert it into AutoCAD. And from the data we get, we will make a report. So the example I will show you is a few example of detail plan. So for general arrangement, we have a detail plan like this from Tekla, and foundation reaction we have a detail plan like this. So after that, for concrete beam detail, we will get an overview like this, and this for concrete column detail. And we have slab or main layout, we will get the data like this. and this one is for non-concrete beam detail. And lastly, for the foundation layout, we will get a table like this and also the image like this. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next group members.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present to you our discussion, which is our component that are employed in the construction of our structure. Okay, the first one is reinforced concrete slab. A concrete slab is a flat, horizontal surface made of cast concrete that is used in modern construction. Steel reinforced slab, ranging in thickness from 100 to 500 mm, are most typically used to construct floor and ceilings. The first material is beam. A load-bearing structure, a concrete beam may handle both horizontal and vertical loads. Reinforced concrete beam, often known as RCC beams, are made by encasing steel bars, plate, or fibers within concrete. Okay, for the third component is column. A reinforced concrete column is a concrete structural component with an integrated steel frame that is designed to withstand compressive stresses. The fourth component is truss. A truss is basically a triangulated arrangement of straight structural elements that are linked. Okay, for the fifth component is a roof panel. A roof is a structure tops covering consisting of the material and structures necessary to support it on the building's wall or upright while providing protection from rain, snow, sunlight, temperature extreme, and wind. The roof is a part of structure's envelope. For the next component is a brace. A A bridge bracing system is an optional but important part of the building process. During construction, a bracing system is utilized to hold the principal gauges, disperse load effects, and prevent compression flanks of cord from buckling laterally. Okay, for the last component is foundation, a structural system that support and anchor the superstructure of a building and directs its loads to the soil. The foundation bottom must be below the frost level to minimize damage from repeated freeze-thaw cycles. That's all from me.
Okay, for the last is conclusion. Tabular structures is a complete solution that incorporates the whole structure design process in a single environment. Its potential to reuse data across the design, analysis, and detailing phase and model in steel, concrete, and timber is pretty unique in the industry. It's enabled for the use of a single BIM model from the conceptual stage all the way through the fabrication. That's all from our group. Thank you.